the different versions available for MATLAB. MathWorks usually releases its software, that is MATLAB, 2 times a year. One is called alpha version and another is called beta version. Alpha version is represented with the help of the letter A and beta version represented with the help of letter B. Around March they usually release the version of alpha, and around September of the year they release the version of beta. If you are a MATLAB subscriber and you belongs to an industry, then you will get more preference compared to university as well as personal users. Usually they release the pre-version of the software before doing any actual release. Once the release is done, they usually check whether there are any bugs present inside the updated tool or not. In case they have any bug and it is being reported from the industrial user side, then it is being fixed in the beta version. MATLAB also have different communities who usually use MATLAB, and they try to find out what are the different bugs present in MATLAB. Then they update the software, and then based on the current bug fix they release the software again. So this cycle repeats over year by year, and MATLAB gets updated with the corresponding versions and corresponding toolboxes. So this is a short overview of versioning of MATLAB. If you are liking our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get latest updated video notifications.